sudut kota yang paling gelap, kita diperkenalkan dengan seorang polisi korup bernama Walker.
You live in this world, you make choices. Choices you try to justify. For yourself, for your family. And for a while it works. Until it doesn't. Until you make a choice that renders everything worthless. One you can't justify, can't forgive, and it takes everything. Your family, your friends, yourself. And then all you're left with is nothing but ghosts.
Di tempat lain, terjadi kejar-kejaran antara polisi dan perampok yang membawa narkoba.
This is so fucked! Oh, shit! Johnny, Johnny! Or we will open fire!
Fucking trying, Charlie!
Let's turn it over.
Para perampok akhirnya berhasil lolos karena sebuah mesin cuci yang dilemparnya berhasil mengenai mobil polisi yang mengakibatkan satu orang polisi bernama Cortez terkapar. Karena keadaannya kritis, Vincent sang kapten meminta bantuan untuk mengevakuasi Cortez. Di lain tempat, Walker yang sedang berbelanja mainan untuk hadiah Natal anaknya mendengar berita kalau seorang wali kota bernama Lawrence dibebaskan dari segala tuduhan dan akan kembali mencalonkan dirinya menjadi wali kota untuk kedua kalinya. Di situ Walker menelpon mantan istrinya yang bernama Helena dan rencananya akan datang ke rumahnya, tetapi ditolak oleh Helena. Di sisi lain, partner Walker yang bernama Ellie mencoba menangkap Johnny yang diduga telah melakukan KDRT. Saat Walker tiba, Ellie telah berhasil meringkus Johnny, tapi Walker terlihat kesal karena dia menyuruh Ellie untuk menunggunya di mobil. Scene berpindah ke para perampok itu yang diketahui bernama Charlie, Mia, Zack, dan Ricky. Di situ Zack merasa ketakutan dan merasa bersalah karena membuat seorang polisi terkapar, sedangkan Charlie rencananya akan masuk bersama Mia untuk menyerahkan narkoba hasil rampokannya. Di pintu masuk, Charlie dan Mia bertemu Sunny, paman dari Sui, orang yang menyuruh Charlie untuk merampok narkoba. Di situ Sui menyuruh paman dan anak buahnya untuk keluar dari ruangan.
Man, I gotta say, I didn't expect you to deliver. I definitely didn't have you down for putting a cop in ICU with a fucking washing machine. I see you.
Sedangkan Zack dan Ricky dari jauh melihat gerak-gerik mencurigakan dari dalam mobil. Sunny yang sedang mengobrol dengan penjaga menerima pesan masuk agar segera pergi dari tempat itu. Ternyata yang dilihat Zack benar dan menyuruh Mia pergi dari tempat itu karena dalam bahaya. Benar saja, satu persatu penjaga dihabisi dengan senapan serbu. Di lain tempat, ada obrolan kecil antara Walker dan Ellie.
I had it handled back there, you know?
So they putting a uniform with homicide now?
I just go where I'm assigned.
He must have pissed somebody off. I mean, he must have shit the bed pretty bad to get pinned on someone like me.
On the bright side, you didn't have a partner, and now you do.
No, we're not partners. Right?
Did you get your daughter's gift?
Kinda.
How old is she?
6. She's 6.
And that's all they had?
Yeah, that's all they had.
Nah, it doesn't matter. When I was a kid,
Yeah,
it's
you know
always
what? I think we shared just about enough.
What?
Staring while you're staring. That's what you're doing. That. Don't do that.
Don't look at you when I'm talking to you.
No. Don't.
Di situ, mereka menerima panggilan radio bahwa telah terjadi penembakan di klub malam. Benar saja, saat Walker dan Ellie tiba, Sui dan anak buahnya telah tewas.
Yo, wait.
Sorry about Cortez.
You mean Detective Cortez?
Yeah,
Why? What happened?
he got hurt in a pursuit earlier.
What do you mean he got hurt? What's wrong with him?
He's in surgery. Been to the guys with him. I figured they would have told you.
Well, nobody told me shit.
It's gonna be okay. He'll pull through.
Sir, we got footage of our suspects.
All right, suspects. Hey, where's that from?
Upstairs.
All right, you got anything down here?
No, nothing down here yet.
Nothing down here? All right.
Do you know him?
I don't fucking know him. I don't know everybody in the city. Ooh, there's a problem with the suspect.
Well, she's armed.
Yeah, huh? But what's she holding?
Pistol.
Yeah, a pistol, right? You see any pistol shells here?
No,
No, I don't either. What do you see? Look around. What's that? These.
assault rounds.
I see assault rounds too. High velocity assault rounds. As a matter of fact, so we're looking for
An assault rifle.
rifle, right? Do you see an assault rifle? I don't see a fucking assault rifle. A lot of dead people here. Never got a shot at her. Was she supposed to have killed him with a pea shooter? I don't think so. I mean, assault rifle. We may be looking for somebody else.
Right.
Yeah, right. Do we have any cameras down here at all? Any footage?
No, nothing down here.
And we're saying that they left this way.
Yes, it's been established.
So who shut up the staircase? Huh? Because someone did. Look, there's a bunch of shells here too.
Hey,
What you got there?
it's just a mess.
You got a body to go with this mess?
No, we don't. All we got is this blood trail leading up the steps. Goes cold around the corner. Maybe they got in a car?
Jesus. Okay, yeah, John Doe here must be working the door. So I wanted to call every ICU. Probably looking for male, probably Asian. Definitely full of fucking holes, so, right? Maybe they have an assault rifle. Call me as soon as you have any updates, alright?
Yes, sir.
Walker yang mengenal Charlie langsung pergi ke rumahnya. Ternyata ayah Charlie adalah Lawrence sang wali kota. Walker dulunya adalah komplotan Lawrence bersama Evan sang kapten, Cortez, Jake dan Adam.
Where's Charlie?
Charlie and I haven't spoken since his mother passed, but you know that.
I just came from a crime scene, right? 9 bodies. A coke deal gone bad, real bad. And then I see this on CCTV. Who's that? You recognize that kid?
Charlie, you know where he is?
I have no idea.
My son is not a killer. There's no way that he did this.
Maybe he did. Maybe he fucking did it. It doesn't really matter. Either way, he's in the fucking mix, right?
Fuck.
Yeah, fuck. The way I see it, your son shit the bed so bad, you're gonna need a magic wand to clean this up.
How you gonna get me out of this?
Are you fucking serious? I can't help you with this. Your son just started a gang war. They just want to shoot him dead. That's the end of his story. This whole thing here, your war on drugs, cleaning up the city bullshit is over, man. You are done.
Who the fuck do you think you are? This is my town, and that's my son we talking about. I make one phone call. You and your friends go down for life. Don't forget, I know what you did.
You want to talk about what I did? I blackmailed your DA, kept your ass out of prison. That's what I did. All right? We are square, Lawrence. We are good.
When you came to me with this, you know exactly what I was going to ask you to do. So don't pretend that you don't got a price for this.
I do not want your dirty money.
So what do you want from me? Just tell me, because I'm not going to let this thing with my son destroy my campaign. I do that, and all of this is for nothing. So tell me, what do you want? What can I give you?
I just want you out. That's all. I'm done. I want. Let's say I get your son. I bring him back to you. Yeah, I go get him. I bring him to you. You get him on a plane. I never see your fucking face again. There will be no more running around after that. That's it. We're done. We're square. That's what it will cost. That could work.
Get him back.
And I never see your fucking face again.
You heard me.
Setelah mencapai kesepakatan, Walker pun pergi. Scene berpindah ke sudut kota yang kumuh. Seorang wanita keluar dari mobil mewah. Dia adalah ibu dari Sui yang bernama Yen. Dengan tatapan yang kosong, Yen berjalan menuju ruangan di mana tubuh Sui terbaring. Untuk terakhir kalinya, Yen menatap tajam anak satu-satunya dan pergi menemui Sunny sang adik. Yen berusaha menanyakan siapa pembunuh anaknya, tetapi jawaban Sunny tidak memuaskannya, sehingga anak buah Sunny dihabisi. Sedangkan Sunny sendiri diancam akan dibunuh jika tidak menemukan pembunuh anaknya. Di lain tempat, Walker mulai mencari keberadaan Charlie dan akhirnya menemukan anak buah Sui yang terluka. Di situ, Walker menemukan petunjuk bahwa yang membantai anak buah Sui adalah pria bertopeng hoki. Kemudian, Walker pergi ke rumah sakit untuk menengok Cortez. Saat di lobi, Walker bertemu mantan rekannya yang korup.
Good to see you. How's he doing?
Not great.
You know, it used to be when one of us got hurt, the others would just drop everything to be by his
I
side.
just heard he was in surgery.
They got a waiting room.
I'm sorry. It looks like you got chewed up pretty bad, Jake.
It was kind of hard to dodge a fucking washing machine.
Come on, we're all hurting. No one's to blame.
Everything good at home? Family okay?
Yeah, everyone's good.
Dispatch just announced Charlie Beaumont's public enemy #1. You know they ID'd him in Chinatown? They also got him stealing that fucking truck we were chasing. That doesn't put you in a box.
I'm sorry. You just lost me there, Vince.
Oh, I doubt that.
No, really, that's not supposed to mean.
We've all done shit for Lawrence, but that don't give his kid a free fucking pass to hurt one of our own.
So what you're gonna do? You're gonna shoot him? All right, it's been cool. Great catching up. If you don't mind, I'm gonna see our friend.
Akhirnya, Walker bertemu istri dan Cortez yang sedang sekarat. Di tempat lain, Mia berada di tempat pamannya yang bernama Raul untuk membuat paspor.
Go, come on.
He's safe. See you.
Berpindah ke Walker. Di dalam kantor polisi, Walker menanyakan kepada Lily apakah telah menemukan bukti tentang senapan serbu itu. Lily justru mengungkapkan kalau di dalam tumpukan bukti itu ada potongan topeng hoki dan menjelaskan kalau yang di layar komputer itu adalah Yen, ibu dari Sui. Saat sedang berbincang, atasan Walker sedikit marah karena Walker tidak berterus terang kalau dia mengenal Charlie. Karena itu, Walker akan dipindah tugaskan. Ellie yang merasa dibohongi menjadi marah dan Walker mencoba minta maaf, tetapi itu sudah terlambat karena Walker akan dipindah tugaskan. Dan Walker sendiri akan berusaha meyakinkan atasannya kalau orang lain tak sanggup menyelesaikan kasus ini. Di tengah-tengah macetnya kota, Lauren yang merasa terancam berencana untuk keluar negeri, tetapi di perjalanan dihadang oleh beberapa orang. Yang ternyata mereka adalah anak buah dari Yen. Walker yang mendapat informasi dari Lily langsung menuju ke tempat Raul. Di situ, Walker meyakinkan Raul kalau Mia tidak akan lolos tanpa bantuan Walker. Akhirnya Raul memberi nomor Mia. Di tempat lain, Yen menanyakan kepada Sunny di mana dia berada saat Sui dihabisi. Sunny menjelaskan kalau sedang berselisih dengan Sui, karena itu dia diusir dari ruangan. Zack yang tertangkap mengatakan kalau dia tidak tahu apa-apa dan sedang berada di luar. Zack juga mengatakan di mana bisa menemukan Mia. Di dalam kereta, Mia mendapat pesan bahwa paspornya telah siap, sedangkan Walker sendiri menuju klub Medusa. Di situ Walker menemukan Mia, yang ternyata Walker lah yang mengirim pesan itu. Karena mencoba memberontak, Walker meyakinkan Mia kalau hanya dia yang bisa menyelamatkannya. Tiba-tiba, Vincent datang bersama timnya. Mia menjelaskan kalau Vincent lah yang memakai topeng hoki dan membunuh Sui. Vincent yang ingin membawa Mia dicegah oleh Walker. Terjadi perdebatan kecil antara Vincent dan Walker. Di situ muncul anak buah Yen yang akhirnya terjadi baku hantam. Raul yang ingin Mia selamat mengorbankan dirinya menghadang Vincent di pintu keluar. Akhirnya Walker, Mia, dan Charlie berhasil lolos. Sedangkan Lily dan tim SWAT telah sampai di lokasi. Di situ Walker menelpon Lily dan menjelaskan kalau yang memakai topeng hoki adalah Vincent dan timnya. Walker juga meminta Lily untuk melihat Cortez yang ada di rumah sakit. Karena Cortez tidak terlibat, kemungkinan akan ada yang mencoba membunuhnya. Dan Lily mengatakan kalau anak buah Vincent juga tewas. Sunny yang berada di rumah sakit dihubungi Vincent.
I'm going to have to call you back. Don't you fucking hang up on me, you little prick. Listen, about an hour ago, I ran into our friend at a club, but I didn't get a chance to talk to her because a bunch of your Dynasty fucking warrior buddies showed up.
No, they weren't my buddies.
They sure looked it.
Vincent, I don't have to tell you how important it is that you find those kids before they do.
Oh shit.
Where are they now?
That's the thing, I got no idea. All I know is I got that stuff you wanted. So where should we meet?
Well, my buyer doesn't want to cook anymore. Too much heat. No thanks to you.
Chang, I swear to God, I will put a hole through your fucking chest.
Tell me, how many times are you going to fuck up Vincent? I tip you off
About the girl, and you let her go. I tell you about the shipments. All you had to do was intercept that fucking truck. So, what the fuck?
Where's the gratitude? I got you a promotion.
That was never part of our deal.
Chang, we close this tonight, or I have my boys pimping dime bags in Chinatown. Might make Mom suspicious, don't you think?
你好嘢啊，玩我係嘛？依家你企喺我嘅地頭，等我攞咗錢之後，我一定對你。
Listen to me. You got 1 hour.
We all have loose ends, Vince.
Where are you?
You be careful.
Akhirnya Lily sampai di rumah sakit dan melihat Sunny di lantai 3 sedang memegang senjata. Di situ Sunny berhasil membunuh penjaga dan Cortez. Sedangkan istri Cortez yang baru datang ditodong senjata oleh Sunny. Lily yang baru sampai di lantai 3 berusaha menolong, tetapi istri Cortez tidak selamat. Sunny yang kabur akhirnya berhasil diringkus oleh Lily. Sedangkan Walker yang berada di rumah persembunyian menghubungi Lawrence dan mengirim lokasi. Tetapi handphone Lawrence dipegang oleh Yen. Lily yang pergi ke rumah Helena mendapat informasi kalau Walker tidak lagi tinggal bersamanya dan mempunyai rumah persembunyian pemberian ayahnya. Sebelum pergi, Lily menjebak Vincent dengan handphone Sunny, yang akhirnya Vincent dapat diringkus. Di tempat Walker, Charlie yang tidak ingin bertemu ayahnya mencoba untuk pergi, tetapi dihadang oleh Walker. Dari jauh, anak buah Yen menyerbu mereka. Akhirnya, Charlie dan Mia tertangkap bertepatan dengan Yen dan Lawrence tiba di sana. Untuk membalas dendam, Yen menyuruh Lawrence untuk menembak Mia, tetapi Charlie menghadangnya dan menjelaskan kalau bukan dia yang bunuh Sui. Dari jauh, Lily datang membawa Sandra, Evan, sang kapten, Jack, dan Sunny. Lily menjelaskan kalau Yen telah salah sasaran, bahwa yang membunuh anaknya adalah Evan dan timnya atas perintah Sunny. Yen pun menjadi murka, tetapi Ivan terlebih dulu bergerak dan terjadi baku tembak.
You okay? You okay? Look at you.
Don't do it.
Akhirnya, Ivan berhasil dihabisi oleh Walker, sedangkan Lily membiarkan Charlie dan Mia pergi. Sedangkan Walker rencananya akan menyerahkan diri. Lily yang menawarkan bantuan untuk memberikan hadiah Natal untuk anak Walker ditolaknya karena Walker takut merusak Natalnya. Film pun selesai. Terima kasih Mas Bro, Mbak Bro yang telah berkunjung ke channel ini. Jangan lupa like dan subscribe. Sampai jumpa di alur film selanjutnya. Terima kasih.